Create easy industrial maintenance inspection logs with CMMS. Looking for a way to keep a record of each inspection your technicians perform? Let's dive right in. Hi, my name is Rui and I'm the Technical Director of PF Consultants. We are the developers of CMMS, which is an app for teams that helps you manage your industrial maintenance better. On this video, you'll learn how to create a new checklist template in CMMS. The first thing I always do when teaching this topic is to define what checklists are in the context of our system. Put simply, checklists are groups of actionable inspection tasks that require the technician's input to be considered complete. You can import or link checklists to work orders in CMMS. When you do that, you call the desired checklist template, which is what you are going to learn how to generate today. To start, go to the checklist module by selecting the appropriate option on the menu or tapping the menu icon and selecting the checklist option if you are using the mobile app. In here, you will see the familiar CMMS module search console with a shortcut button to the creation of a new item, so click or tap the +CL button. First things first, in what system is this inspection going to take place? Select it from the functional location browser, which is simply a handy way to navigate through the hierarchy of systems you maintain. In this example, let's choose Site 1, Water Systems, Pump Skid. Next, select who is the owner of this checklist template. In most cases, you can leave this option as is, so we're not going to change anything. Finally, fill in the summary and the description of this checklist template. Remember that the way you find checklists in CMMS is through these two fields, so make them as meaningful as possible, but don't worry too much. You can always come back and edit everything. In this case, the summary will be Daily Pump Inspection and the description will be Daily Pump Skid Inspection. Now you can click or tap the Add button at the bottom of the page and that's it. The checklist template was created and you will be redirected by the system to the Edit Checklist interface where you can now add the checklist contents, which are the things the technicians will have to look at during their inspection. There are three different types of contents. The first is the group, appropriately named group, because these are areas that aggregate checks and verifications that go well together. The only purpose of groups is to help you organize your information by sections. As an example, let's create a group for visual inspections. Inside this group, let's create a check, which is an action that will have to be passed or failed by the technician. So as an example, let's add a check for area is clean. Now let's add a verification. This type of checklist content is used when you want the technician to log a reading of some sort. For example, what is the water temperature? And that's really it. That's all you have to do as you add contents to the checklist. Everything that you do will get saved as you go. You can change the order of each line by dragging the line up and down from these dots, and you can edit or delete each line by clicking the pencil or bin icons here at the right on each line. Once you're done, click Search Console and you can see the checklist template you've just created appears on the list ready to be used. And this is how you create and populate a checklist in CMMS so you can use it on your inspections. Visit the checklist playlist here on YouTube for more checklists information, how you can add them to work orders, for example, and visit CMMS.com for more about our maintenance system and what it can do for you.